Hi guys, I ordered some prints from a company called Printful, and I got some swatches so I can see the full range of their colors on paper. And then I also ordered 2 prints of a couple of paintings that I had done. And the colors are excellent, very much like my original paintings. So I'm really happy with that. Good quality. This video is going to be really less of a tutorial and just kind of more of me painting and talking a little bit. Of course, you are so welcome to paint along with me or just watch or whatever. I think you'll pretty quickly figure out what I am painting. I wanted to try out using gouache paint on these little canvases that I got. Well, I'm just using one right now. It's just a little canvas I got on clearance at Target, actually, and it's pretty good. And I was curious how the gouache paint would behave on canvas, and it ended up being quite nice. I've decided that I already liked gouache paint, but I also realized that I prefer the matte quality of gouache paint usually over acrylics. And I already knew I felt that way, but then I was listening to another artist, Sandy Hester, I believe that was her name, that is her name. And she was talking about that she doesn't like how acrylics look kind of like plastic. And I was like, that is it. That's what I don't like about those usually. So anyway, also, I apologize for missing, let's see, last week and Monday and the day after that and the day after that with my videos. I have had some serious technical troubles with this video. In fact, as I'm recording this right now, I'm not even convinced that this video will end up on YouTube because I have tried to complete and upload this, I don't know, 4, 5, 7, 10, I don't know how many times. So it's just been one of those 2 weeks kind of times. So yeah, it's just the way it goes sometimes. It'll be okay. Not that big of a deal. It kind of bugs me when I was trying to stay on a schedule of posting every Monday, but it's okay. Also, it seems like the light changed right here or something. I am not sure. I also wanted to try colored pencils on this, like I usually like to. This pencil, the end was broken. I realized after I used it a few minutes. which is fine. I have a sharpener, but I decided also that I wanted different colors anyway. Colored pencil does not work great on canvas, as you can imagine. Just a little too rough for it, but it was a good way. It was a fun experiment, and it kind of helped me to work out the colors and some of the lines too anyway, so it was worth it to try, and I have no regrets.
So then, why?
So, hi. Another thing I kept doing with this video was forgetting to record big chunks of time. So, cool. But yeah, since I last recorded, a frog appeared and dots on the mushroom, and so yeah, here we are. We are here. Question: if you ever paint on a canvas, do you paint all the way over on the sides or not? I decided to just kind of continue the painting, kind of extend it to the edges, or like over the edges on the sides for this one. I know sometimes well, it's been a really long time since I used a canvas, so I can't exactly even remember what I did before, but I know, you know, some people don't paint on the sides, and some paint kind of a complementary, or like a color that goes with the painting or something like that too. So I don't know, what do you guys do? I want to point out before I get to the end of this video that I end up losing yet another chunk of time because I did not record, but I end up painting, like, I make it like the mushroom is the frog's little house, and he's climbing up in it to go to bed, and here it is. So this is my imperfect video. I hope you enjoyed it regardless of all the things that felt like they went wrong to me. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll come back next time. Bye.